Hi, this is David Lunken, and I'm here to talk to you about the creative problem-solving process. I'm going to talk to you about the first stage of the process, which is called clarify, where we're going to really try to understand the challenge or the problem that we want to solve. This stage has 3 steps: explore the vision, gather data, and formulate challenges. And today I'm only going to talk to you about the first step of that process, explore the vision. During explore the vision, our purpose is to identify the goal, wish, or the challenge that we want to solve. And the first step of that piece is going to be diverge. During diverge, we want to really generate a number of goals or wish statements. And we're going to use brainstorming, and the stem that we're going to use for brainstorming is I wish or it would be great if. So during this part of this step, we're going to try to go for lots of different I wish or it would be great if statements. And some ways that we can prompt those statements is to ask the questions of, what are the goals we'd like to accomplish? What's the challenge we're facing? What would we like to do differently? Imagine ourselves in the future. What would that look like? An example I want to use for you today is my friend Jonathan and I were heading to CPS to teach the foundations class, and we had to be there on the next day. As we're driving down the highway, my car broke down. We thought, this isn't good. The car broke down, and we started to get frustrated, and we jumped into problem-solving mode. We said, I wish the car didn't break down. I wish we could get to CPS on time. I would be great if we could fly. I wish I could snap my fingers and just be there. I wish we could find a way to get to CPS in time for our meeting tomorrow at noon. So we generated a whole bunch of options, clearly ranging from simple to complex, and started to and pushed ourselves to have a number of these. But then we said, hey, we've got a lot of options on the table. Now we need to actually converge on those options or ideas. So the next step of this step of explore the vision is to converge. And we're going to do that. We did that by actually doing a tool called the 3 Eyes. During the 3 Eyes, we're saying, let's look at all of our options, our goals, our wishes, or our challenges, and say, which ones of these do we actually have influence over? Influence meaning, do I have some way I can control or impact that outcome? The second I is important. Is it important for me to actually solve this problem? And the third is, does it need new ideas? Does it need some innovative ideas? Like, is it super simple, like take the car to the shop, or is it needing us to go through and think, what are all the different ways we could do this? So in that process, we said, I wish the car didn't break down. No influence over that. It would be great if I could fly. No influence over that. But I wish that we could get to CPS on time. That's actually something we had influence over. It was really important because we committed to being there for a meeting, and we needed some new ideas because the car was broken down. And now I've got a clearer statement, wish, or key goal that I can explore. So just to remind you, what happened was fuzzy problem was car broke down. We went through diverge, created a number of options using I wish, or it would be great if, looked to generate more than 5 or 10 or 15 of those. Then we converged by going through the 3 Eyes. Do we have influence? Is it important? Does it need new ideas? Those options that had 3 check marks for the 3 Eyes were the ones that we then chose from. And we chose the one that helped us have a very clear idea of what we actually wanted to do to go and find some solutions for. So now that we have a clear challenge, I wish we could get to CPS on time. We can now move to the next step of the process, which is to gather data.